International Conference on Integrated Research and Innovation 2026.
Indo-Thai Awards 2026.
The International Conference on Integrated Research and Innovation, ICIRI 2026, is a prestigious global academic gathering organized by SKRGC Academy under the aegis of the SK Research Group of Companies. Scheduled to be held in 23-26 February 2026, Shinawatra University, Kamraj College, Madurai Gandhi NMR Subbaraman College for Women, Rajeshwari College of Arts and Science for Women, KR Arts and Science College, Trueline Research, and Cape Arts and Science College. The conference is designed to bring together researchers, academicians, industry professionals, and students from across disciplines and nations to explore emerging trends in integrated research and innovation. With a strong emphasis on interdisciplinary collaboration, ICIRI 2026 provides a dynamic platform for presenting research papers, sharing innovative ideas, and discussing practical solutions to contemporary global challenges. The conference promotes the integration of science, technology, management, social sciences, and allied fields, encouraging participants to transcend traditional academic boundaries. The event will feature keynote addresses by eminent scholars, technical sessions, panel discussions, and research presentations that foster intellectual exchange and professional networking. Through these engagements, participants gain opportunities for academic enrichment, collaborative research, publication prospects, and global exposure. Guided by its vision of advancing knowledge through innovation and partnership, ICIRI 2026 aspires to cultivate a culture of research excellence, critical thinking, and transformative learning, empowering minds and shaping sustainable futures through integrated academic dialogue.
The Indo-Thai Awards is a distinguished honor presented in conjunction with the International Conference on Integrated Research and Innovation, ICIRI 2026, organized by Shinawatra University in association with SKRGC Academy, held during the 23rd to the 26th of February 2026 alongside the conference at Shinawatra University and its esteemed partner institutions. The awards celebrate excellence in research, innovation, academic leadership, and societal contribution across India and Thailand. Aligned with the vision of ICIRI 2026, the INDOTHAI Awards recognizes individuals and institutions that exemplify interdisciplinary excellence and transformative impact. The awards aim to strengthen Indo-Thai academic collaboration while honoring scholars, educators, industry professionals, entrepreneurs, and young researchers who transcend traditional academic boundaries to create meaningful change.
About our organizers: Shinawatra University, Thailand, Kamraj College, SKRGC Academy.
In association with Madurai Gandhi NMR Subbaraman College for Women, Rajeshwari College of Arts and Science for Women, Rock Arts and Science College, Cape Arts or Science College, LKP Academy, Trueline Research, KR Arts and Science College.
Shinawatra University, Thailand is a private international university established in 1999 in Pathum Thani Province, Thailand. It aims to be a globally recognized institution that develops graduates with strong leadership, ethical values, and professional skills through a range of undergraduate, postgraduate, and research programs in areas such as business, management, and liberal arts. SU is committed to research, innovation and community engagement, with a vision to be among the world's top universities and a focus on sustainability and cultural preservation.
Kamraj College in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, is one of southern Tamil Nadu's premier autonomous arts and science colleges, established in 1966 and named in honor of former Chief Minister K. Kamraj. Affiliated with Manumengam Sundaranar University, it holds an A+ NAAC accreditation and offers a broad spectrum of undergraduate, postgraduate, and research programs across arts, science, commerce and professional fields, with strong emphasis on academic excellence, research, placements and entrepreneurship.
Madurai Gandhi NMR Subbaraman College for Women is an autonomous women's college in Madurai affiliated with Madurai Kamraj University. Accredited with a B Zone grade by NAAC, it was founded to empower women through quality education in arts, science, commerce and computer science disciplines. The college emphasizes holistic development through academics, co-curricular engagement, and industry interface, providing a supportive environment for its students.
Rajeshwari College of Arts or Science for Women, established in 2007 by the Kumaraswamy Educational Trust, is affiliated to Annamalai University, Chidambaram. Located in a serene campus at Bommayapalayam, Vanur Taluk, Villupuram district, Tamil Nadu, the college is dedicated to empowering women through quality higher education. The college emphasizes academic excellence, research, cultural enrichment, and industry readiness. A strong placement cell, state-of-the-art facilities, and active student engagement ensure that learners are well prepared to meet global challenges while contributing meaningfully to society.
KR Arts and Science College is a vibrant and emerging institution of higher learning located in Perayur, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. Established in 2023 under the KR Educational and Charitable Trust, the college is affiliated with Madurai Kamraj University and committed to fostering academic excellence, personal growth, and professional success among its students.
Rock Arts and Science College is a well-established institution of higher education located in Perambai, Villupuram district, Tamil Nadu, India. Founded in 2009, the college is affiliated with Annamalai University and is part of the broader Rock group of institutions, dedicated to academic excellence and holistic development, Taluk, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. It was established in 2023 and is run under the KR Educational and Charitable Trust. The college is affiliated with Madurai Kamraj University.
SK Research Group of Companies, SKRGC, stands as a beacon of excellence in fostering education, innovation, and professional development. As a key pillar of this prestigious group, the SKRGC Academy was launched with the primary aim of empowering students, scholars, and educators by providing them with opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills. Through its dynamic range of activities and initiatives, SKRGC Academy has become a hub for academic and professional growth, driven by a commitment to excellence and collaboration.
LKP Academy is a distinguished center of excellence dedicated to advancing education, innovation, and professional development. As a vital arm of the esteemed LKP Group, the Academy was founded with the mission to empower students, scholars and educators by offering transformative learning experiences and skill-building opportunities. Over time, it has emerged as a vibrant hub for academic enrichment and career growth, fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Through a wide array of impactful programs and initiatives, LKP Academy remains committed to nurturing future leaders and driving meaningful contributions to both academia and industry.
True Line Research Private Limited is a dynamic research and innovation-driven organization based in Salem, Tamil Nadu, India. Founded in 2023, it operates at the intersection of research development, technology innovation, AI solutions, and academic advancement, helping institutions, researchers, and industries accelerate progress and deepen impact.